Hi friends, look what I have today. A tiny bedtime surprise. It's Peppa Bedtime Little Library. And guess what? There are 4 mini stories inside. There's bath time, story time, bedtime, and dream time. Which one should we open first? They're so small and perfect for little hands. Shall we open it? Let's see what's inside. Together, let's go. Ooh, look at all these interesting stories. Let's get started with bath time. Bath time. Peppa and George love jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Squelch, squelch, especially giant ones. Peppa, George, called Daddy Pig. It's bath time. We are a little bit muddy, says Peppa. Splash, splash. Peppa and George love splashing in the bath. Haha, says Daddy Pig. Time to get out. We are a little bit wet, says Peppa. So are we, says Mummy Pig. Everyone giggles. Now let's move on to the next story. Story time. Peppa and George are all ready for bed. Time for a bedtime story, says Daddy Pig. Yay! I like stories about princesses, Daddy, says Peppa. Dinosaur! Roar! Roars George. He likes stories about dinosaurs. Right, begins Daddy Pig, with a great big yawn. Once upon a time, there was a princess and a dinosaur. They had a very busy day and were very tired, so they went straight to bed, says Daddy Pig. The end. The end. Now let's move on to bedtime. Yawn, say Peppa and George together. They are both very sleepy. Time for bed, sleepyheads, says Mummy Pig. Peppa and George hop into their bunk beds. Daddy Pig tucks the little piggies in. Night-night, Peppa. Night-night, George. Close your eyes, says Mummy Pig, turning off the light. It's time for Peppa and George to sleep. Snore, snore, snort Mummy and Daddy Pig. It's time for them to go to sleep too. That was such a fun story. Now let's read the last book. Dream Time. Peppa, George, Mummy, and Daddy Pig are all fast asleep. Zzz. Peppa is dreaming about being a princess. Snort. George is dreaming about a dinosaur. Dinosaur. Roar. Mummy Pig is dreaming about going on holiday. Ah, lovely. And Daddy Pig is dreaming about taking a nap. Snore, snore. That was such an interesting story. I wonder what I'm going to dream about after reading these books. What do you think you're going to dream about? Which one was your favorite books? Bath time, Bedtime, Dreamtime, or Storytime. I loved all of them. They were so much fun, and I'm going to have such a good night's sleep now. Make sure you watch this space for more such interesting bedtime books and Peppa books. Bye! See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.